We got really stuck on oil filter here. It's shredding. I picked up these vice grips at Tractor Supply. So let's see if we can get this oil filter to turn.
Come on, baby.
Uh-oh. Well, we can show them putting it on. See how smashed it is. Ooh, I can go tighter now. Let's get it as tight as we can go. Big old rust lip on the edge of what's left of the filter.
Ever so slightly opening.
Think we got it a little bit?
No, I don't think so.
Now we can grab the other Mega Vice grips. Getting cold. Trying to find a good spot to grip these. You're gonna kill them? Here we go. Here we go.
Nothing yet.
It's starting to push against this, and I don't want that to open up. Can't go on this because it'll just turn it. But you can get your vice grips to go tighter by putting vice grips on this, so we can get a tighter bite like that. Get an even tighter bite on your vice grips. I want to try to bite it like right here, but it's just gonna slip. Maybe we can bite it right here. Did it turn or did it shear it?
Sheared it.
Oh,
Yay!
well, it broke free. I don't know how much more we can turn. It looks like we're hitting this cable here.
Yeah, we're bottoming out right here on that.
Show them the setup. Do a little zoom out.
Yeah, that's the way to do it there, apparently.
Let's show them the oil filter, see what it looks like. I wonder when the last time this thing's been changed. You know? Well, it budged, so that's a good start. Now we got to get our vice grips like in this position so that we can actually turn some more. I love these vice grips because show them this. Once you clamp, you can still keep on tightening it pretty easily because you have a lot more leverage than small vice grips with that little knob at the end. It did budge, so that's a good sign.
One more time.
Not tight enough. It's on there tight. Might be about at yay angle so that we can get more of a turn on it. Go ahead and tighten this up. Sounds like firecrackers up there. I can hear it squishing it. Alright, it's
Got some more out of it. Ought to be free-ish now.
maybe the oil filter wrench can get it now. Maybe it's so the filter's so smushed. Yep. There we go. Holy smokes. You got a pan under there?
No. All I was using was that. It's just draining right out of the, what's it called right now? Smash.
It's all rusty on the lip. How's it looking in there?
Wow, yeah. I'm sorry.
Yeah, we'll clean that
up.
Clean it up. Hit it with some brake clean and a rag. Oil filter's off.
Yeah.
Every once in a while you run into these, and that's why it's not really worth it to do oil changes anymore. Take you a half hour to take off a freaking oil filter.